Let's learn how to send push notifications with Choicely. Go to Push Notifications on the left side menu. You'll arrive at a list of topics. When you choose App-Wide Topic, you can start creating a push notification to all app users who have subscribed to push notifications. You can also create specific topics that users can follow and send notifications to only those who have subscribed to them. For example, in this sports app, fans could follow a player they've chosen. To learn more about creating topics, watch the Create Push Notification Topics tutorial. When you have your app-wide topic selected, a sidebar will appear on the right side. Click on New Push to create the notification. 4 tabs will appear. On the Push Notification tab, you will choose the title and body texts of your push notification. You'll also choose the sending time. You can send it immediately or schedule it for later for a specified time. You can also add a photo to notification. On the second tab, choose Type. You'll select where your push notification sends the user when they tap on the notification. On the third tab, Target, you'll specify further where the user is sent. The options on this tab will depend on what you will pick on the Choose Type tab. On Advanced, you can determine the views the user sees after tapping on the push notification in more detail. Go back to the first tab to review the push notification and send it. Now you know how to send push notifications with Choicely.